What is the worst effing feeling? My son died at 18 years old 4 years ago. He was an amazing son and a great person. I was in shock. I organized his entire funeral so that he was buried 4 days after his death. I wrote his obituary. I chose funeral-appropriate outfits for myself, his 2 half-brothers and sister. I chose the clothes he was buried in, bought him new shoes. I bought him a belt from the skate shop he went to, and the young man joked, "Are you tired of him using shoelaces?" Because he did. Family and friends said I handled myself with grace. I was so elegant. I rushed everything because I was a ticking time bomb about to explode. I knew I could only hold my shit together for a few days before completely falling apart. My son deserved a good send-off, and I held it together. I came home from the internment and started to wail like these primal animal-like sounds of despair. I would bury my face in my pillow and wail. Before my son's death, I had never made a sound like that. I barely remember the months after his death. It was like my heart had been physically ripped out of my body. The grief was so great I hurt physically, like the worst physical pain. I cry every single day I miss him so much.